Hello guys, and today we will be playing MineBlocks. So this is a 2D version of Minecraft with a different name, and this is my brother's world. But we will start a world called YouTube. Sometimes our worlds will be erased because if they make a new update, I think that's it's still. We are actually on new grounds right now. So, just to tell you where you can find MineBlocks. So, let's just let this load. This is a diamond. You must know that. I haven't actually played this for a while, so hold on. I actually have two screens right now, so oh wait, let's try to get some of this. Come on guys, let's get some of this. I don't know what that is. What is that? I think that's seaweed. Yeah, that's seaweed. Okay, so I don't know what happened over here. This is just weird. What happened? What type of world is this? Okay, so you can see that there's coal over there, which I didn't quite know until now. And I'm just trying to find. Wow, there's a lot of seaweed out here. We're gonna really be able to get some seaweed. Ooh, okay, iron ore. We're in a mushroom biome. What the heck? What the heck, guys? We're in a mushroom biome. Come on, come at me, piggy. Yeah, slay pig. Slay the pigs. I know something on the what is it called? The iPad. That's like this, and it's called either Hinterland or Hinterland. You know, I haven't played that for a while either. Come on at me. Come on. XP, yeah! I think this is a lot like Minecraft, because I haven't played this for a while, and now it looks a lot more like Minecraft. So, let's make a crafting table. Crafting table. Okay. Oh wait, can you make this into something else? You can make it into. Okay, but okay. So what it looks like in the back. So let's actually start a little house right now. This is gonna be easy, I guess. Oh, okay. I was seeing what was wrong with that. So, okay, you know, I'm not enough over there. Okay, sheep, I want you to get out of here. I'll get him out of here in a second. I think I'm just gonna go to here. Hey, I guarded you from the wolf. Now get out of here. Nah, I'm not gonna do that to you. That's like betraying you, wolf. I don't know, guys. I'm just doing this. It's a bit of a waste of materials, I know, but I think it's just better if I do this. Now, so now we have a nice little house right here, and the one thing I forgot was a door. Yeah, you can change it back in there. I need to get one of these. Thank you, sheep. Oh no, I see what I'm doing. I'm wasting my wood. Do, do. Oh no, the back drop. Unless you already. Okay, that makes sense. Oh no. Of course, you can't change the backdrop anymore. Wait, no. Oh, wait a second, this is gonna be good. I might have to actually hit this thing. Yeah, I might have to hit it. Get away from me. Get away from me, you right there. Respawn. Wow. Okay. I feel upset now. I think I'm just gonna restart. Now I think I'm just gonna restart. No, I'm not. But that was upsetting. Why is it? Oh, I'm not supposed to walk into it. Otherwise, it thinks I'm an enemy. Okay. Let's place that there. There we go. Oh, what? No. No. No way. No way. No way. No way. Think this. No. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No. No. Get out of here. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out, please. Just get out. Get out quickly. Yeah. Yeah, you can't come in. You can't come in now. Ooh. But now I don't have the wood for my door. Let's see. What am I doing? Why would I do that if I already know that's how you make a crafting table? Oh, we'll make other videos soon. You know what, guys? I think I'm just gonna end it short here, so I will actually get this uploaded as soon as I can. So bye, guys, and I will see you next time.